Okay, in the previous step we learned what is the polymorphism and how we can use it in C# Unity. In this step we want to learn what is the definition of member hiding. Imagine we have a main class which called characters, okay? And the characters has two children, friend class, enemy class. And friend class has soldier and tank classes, okay? In the definition of inheritance, we said if we defined a function inside class and the parent class, characters class, it will be automatically aligned to the friend class and also soldier class or tank class, okay? Because it is the structure of inheritance, okay? But sometimes we wanna make something with using that part of parent class. For example, characters class has a function which called do something, okay? And this function does something, okay? But we wanna define a new function inside friend class, exactly the same name, do something, but it does something else, okay? Or maybe advanced thing than characters. Okay, we will call this an member hiding. In the member hiding, for example, in the menu behavior, ignore it. It can be any class, but it's supposed to be the parent class of part 25. Okay. For definition of the variables or functions which we want to, remake them, we need to make a new before the name of this and the type of this. New float x, new void do something. Okay, this new makes your variable and your function as a member hiding. Okay, till here I think it is enough for the overall definition of member hiding. It is exactly opposite than override. In the next steps I will talk about what is the override and how we can use override and member hiding in our C# Unity. Okay, let's go to the next step.